A spate of new programs and partnerships were the focus of Confederation College's 2022 report to the community. The report was delivered this morning at a President's Breakfast event, the first to be held by the college since the onset of the pandemic. Lee Noonan has more.
Good morning, everyone. Bonjour, bonjour.
The annual report outlines progress made by Confederation College towards the goals set out in its 2020 to 2025 strategic plan. College President Kathleen Lynch says she is most excited about a new community rehabilitation worker program, a partnership with Lakehead University, St. Joseph's Care Group, and Indigenous Services Canada.
As it's so badly needed, I'd see firsthand when I worked at St. Joseph's Care Group, people discharged back to remote communities and get no help with their rehabilitative care. This way, people will be able to get the care that they need.
Several of the college's Indigenous programs and partnerships were featured in the presentation, particularly one program aimed at getting more Indigenous women and youth into STEM fields.
And of course, I'm very proud of our Embark STEM program that really is taking learning about science and engineering and math to a different level by building an actual birch bark canoe.
Indeed, Indigenous learning is one of the 4 pillars of the college's strategic plan. They report that just shy of half their programs now include the 7 mandated Indigenous learning outcomes, up from 37% last year.
To tie it all together in a report to the community is really important to show all the accomplishments of our staff and students, especially our students, because it's been really tough this last couple of years, and they've done extremely well in persevering and staying with us through this.
The report does show a decrease in enrollment, with just over 4,800 students this year, down about 16% over last year. One exception to this trend, which is maybe unsurprising during a pandemic, is the enrollment in distance education, which has in fact increased by nearly 50% since 2019. Lee Noonan, TBT News.